In 2025, one of the most anticipated SUV models in Ford's inventory may be the 2025 Ford Edge. Guys, if you are first time in our Cars World Jai channel, so please subscribe us. It is quite probable that Ford will continue to capitalize on the vehicle's success with a modernized design, more efficient powertrains, and cutting-edge technology as we make predictions about the features and innovations of this future model. What we may anticipate from the Ford Edge is as follows. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 Ford Edge may have an even bolder and more contemporary look. Sharper lines, a more sophisticated aerodynamic profile, and even new color options to accommodate a variety of tastes are all things we could anticipate. Additionally, Ford may employ stronger and lighter materials to increase handling and fuel economy. Significant improvements might be made to the Ford Edge's interior in terms of comfort and technology. A totally digital dashboard, bigger displays, and enhanced connection with apps like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are all possible features. With high-end materials and plenty of legroom, emphasis would also be put on passenger comfort, guaranteeing a comfortable and stress-free ride. A number of engine options, perhaps including hybrid or even completely electric versions, may be available for the 2025 Ford Edge. It may also be possible to enhance conventional combustion engines to provide more power while using less fuel. The Ford Edge would be able to serve a wider spectrum of drivers with this diversity, regardless of whether they place a higher value on performance or energy economy. Additionally, we may expect enhanced towing capabilities, which would make the 2025 Ford Edge a great option for anyone who need to move large items like boats or trailers. Advanced all-wheel drive and drive modes that can be adjusted might be included for off-road driving, enabling the Ford Edge to handle a variety of difficult terrains. With more sophisticated collision avoidance features like adaptive cruise control, emergency brake assistance, and enhanced sensors to identify possible threats, Ford may increase the safety of the 2025 model. When paired with advancements like traffic sign recognition and lane keeping assistance, these technologies have the potential to make driving safer for everyone. New communication technologies, such improved smartphone compatibility, more user-friendly interfaces, and higher-end sound systems that produce better audio, might potentially be advantageous for the Ford Edge. These developments have the potential to turn driving into a real entertainment destination. The Edge isn't expected to undergo many major changes in 2025. There are just two minor adjustments. Previously accessible for 30 days, Ford Streaming is now only available for a year, and navigation service is now available for a year instead of 3. The last major upgrade was in 2021 when it acquired a larger touchscreen. Since then, Ford has only made little tweaks and cosmetic improvements, which implies that the business isn't doing anything to keep this model feeling fresh. Many drivers find the Ford Edge's interior appealing since it is known for being roomy and practical. However, it could look a bit dull when compared to other midsize SUVs available on the market. However, have a look at the ST model if you're looking for some excitement. Its potent 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine produces 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. This Edge variant offers a more thrilling driving experience thanks to enhanced braking and acceleration. However, the regular versions could feel a touch rough, and the sporty ST version might feel a little stiff. Most Edge models are powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This engine comes equipped with an 8-speed automated gearbox and all-wheel drive as standard. You might also want to look at the Toyota Venza, Honda Passport, Chevrolet Blazer, and Ford Mustang Mach-E. The most costly model of the 2025 Ford Edge can cost $44,000, while the base model starts at about $38,000.